want to go inside now.
Okay, go inside.
A tornado touched down in the South Ottawa, Canada, suburb of Barrhaven early Thursday afternoon, damaging at least 125 homes and affected thousands of residents. The damage varies from roof being ripped off the homes, the shingles and the sheeting, down to broken windows and trees being down. There was some damage to city infrastructure, but nothing substantial. Ottawa residents say they saw at least one tornado in the area. Several provided photos and videos of funnel clouds and swirling debris. At least one video clearly showed a tornado making contact with the ground. Researchers with the Northern Tornadoes Project say they will go to Ottawa Friday to investigate. A tornado was spotted around Umbra Place, just east of Highway 416. Ottawa police indicated they had similar reports.
Okay, nothing gets swooped up. Go inside.